The blues came falling down. Hey, well, last night, the blues came falling.
Hi, Mom. How are you? How's that?
I heard a rattling like thunder.
You said what?
But my baby jumping down.
It's hilarious, but that's
I
that.
went home last night.
Oh yeah, they got my job set up. They got my bank account.
I went
Yes,
home
a
last
good
night.
suit, I know.
I had to be down.
She's doing alright. She hasn't been able to find anything though. Seems like no one's hiring in her field. Yes, I know. She took the art degree. But I'm sure she'll find something. You know, yes, business was the smart route. Hey, how's Shane? Yeah, that's good. I gotta go, Mom. Yeah, I gotta go. I'll call you later, alright? Yeah, love you too. Bye.
Alex. Alex. Alex.
Jeez, you scared the life out of me, man.
Really? I knocked 3 times. I even turned off what you call music.
Music.
Come on. The guys are waiting for us. Let's go.
So you got the job? That's great, man.
Yeah, it's alright.
Well, come on. Isn't that what you wanted?
I'm starting to get the sense I don't know what I want.
Look, it looks like you're on the right track. I've gotten resumes like here, and there, and plus my folks are just breathing down my neck, pushing me to make more money. But, that's life. That's adulthood, right?
Is that life? Yeah, if you say so.
You don't sound too convinced, man.
Well, it's probably because I'm not. I mean, would you enjoy what you do at these places?
It could be worse.
Yeah, but would it bring you joy?
I mean, I have other things in life that bring me joy. No one's work brings them joy. Come on, be realistic.
I am. Trying, but wouldn't you rather work and make money doing something that makes you happy?
Look, money buys things. And things buy happiness. So if I want to get happiness, I'm gonna need money and I'm gonna need a job.
Hey guys. Hey. You guys are late, per usual. So I ordered drinks for you. Even paying attention. So how are you guys? Great, fine. You? Pretty good. You know that job I was talking about a few weeks ago? Yes. Well, they want me. That's great. In a few weeks. I heard Boston is whatever. Aaron, how are you? How's the firm going?
Oh, it's going good. I'm injured right now, but that can change.
Come on, brag a little. You're moving up in the world.
It's scary, but I wouldn't have it any other way.
Okay, Mark, stop stalling. You know our life story. Now, tell us about the famous person you keep bragging about.
I couldn't say, but it's The Rock.
Really? Alex, I'm sorry. Alex, I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I'll fix it.
hasn't found anything. Yeah, she wanted an art degree.
Money buys things. Things buy happiness. Then I need money and I need a job. What are you doing?
What am I doing? What am I doing? Yeah, you know, that's a good question. What am I doing?
Fine, Alex.
What's the point? What's the point of drawing lines? Drawing lines in arts when all you're gonna do is run into dead ends. What's the point of drawing shapes? Shapes when all you're gonna do is look and stare at a blank piece of paper. Oh God, I'd search desperately for inspiration. To get lost in the world of creativity. And all you get is a bunch of bull. What's the point? I should be talking about a job. I should be talking about business. Because I wasted 4 years on it. I should buy the best suit, get a lousy salary, and be depressed for the rest of my life. What's the point of flying when all I'm gonna do is be locked up in a cage? What's the point of living life when there's no escape? It's what my parents want. It's what you want.
Shut up. Shut up and listen. You that, please? Now, I think you should pursue your dream. You want to come back inside?
I'll call my mom first.
Okay, I'll give you some space.